Clay is one of the more humble art mediums. It's like a material that God has just given, ready to be used, and it's from sand and dirt. Looking at nature, that's like God's artwork for me. To mimic that and create it and be inspired by that. It's just what's special about it to me. My philosophy is using whatever tools God has given me. For me, it was art. My name is Jennell Juarez. I am from Las Cruces, New Mexico, and I'm majoring in studio art at New Mexico State University. I grew up like in a low-income place, and we didn't have the funds to travel much, and so I didn't really get the exposure of art. You don't really think like art is a possible career path. The art program at New Mexico State is incredible. The facility, the program itself, the curriculum, the people, that's really what makes it so special for my experiences. The professors, the classmates, the colleagues. I've never grown anywhere the way I have here. Where it started is in the homes of my family members. Dishes, tea sets, sculptures, pots from everywhere around the world. Seeing them all in one space has been especially meaningful for me. I started thinking critically about who art serves. How can I make work that my grandparents can resonate with, can connect with, to end up in their home instead of a museum? I'm currently working on my BFA thesis exhibition. I'm doing an installation of bedrooms. It's going along with that idea of seeing domestic spaces as a museum. What motivates me to create is the challenge, the hours, the time, the effort. For my work, it's very laborious, it's very detail-oriented. When I'm working on the wheel, it's like a moment that clicks. It's meditative and it's calming. It's one of the more gratifying processes in ceramics. My end goal would be becoming a professor or being in any instructor role, because so many people have helped me. Having the opportunity to do that for anybody else is what I'm here for. For so many years, I was just super shy and reserved and afraid to really just express myself completely. Through art, being here, I've definitely grown. You're doing something you love, without reservations.